Welcome to our ESG management platform, a unified solution designed to help organizations track, reduce, and report their environmental impact with ease and accuracy. Let's explore how this powerful system works, starting from the dashboard. The KPI provide information of total emissions, total entries, high-risk entries, low-risk entries, monthly emissions by scope. Bar chart compares Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3 emissions month-wise. Emission type distribution. Pie chart shows the percentage contribution of each emission type. Emission reduction progress. Progress bar tracks progress toward the annual emission reduction target. Monthly emission trend. Line chart visualize emission increases or reductions over time. Recent entries. Lists the latest emission records added to the system. Risk level distribution. Categorize emissions into high, medium, and low risk levels. Before we proceed to the modules, here are the key benefits of this ESG platform. Automates emission calculations using scientific formulas. Ensures accuracy with auto-fetched company and industry data. Scope-wise tracking aligned with global standards. Instant report downloads. Monthly, annual, or per entry. Supports SBTi-aligned reduction targets. Provides analytics for performance and compliance. Now let's explore the assessment entry module, the core of emission data collection. Assessment entry, add emission data for the financial year. You can also download monthly reports for the entire financial year with just one click. When creating an entry, the system automatically fetches your company name and industry category from your user profile. Step-by-step process. Select scope. Scope 1, direct emissions. Scope 2, purchased electricity. Scope 3, value chain activities. Choose category. Categories are displayed dynamically based on the selected scope. Select activity type. Units auto appear. The system shows units relevant to the activity. Enter quantity. Click Calculate emissions. The system calculates emissions using the most up-to-date emission factors and recent organizational trends. Save entry. Saved records appear in logs and are used in dashboard KPIs and charts. Every saved entry can generate a detailed report, including quantity, factors used, formulas applied, and final emissions in COE. Organizations can define sustainability goals to align with global climate standards. Target inputs. Annual reduction target, %. The SBT recommends a 4.2% annual reduction. Total emissions target, kg COE. Scope-wise targets. Yearly performance analysis. The platform compares actual emissions with targets, helping you evaluate progress and improve strategies yearly. The About page provides deep insights into emission fundamentals. What it covers. What are emission factors? Examples of factors, formulas used in the software. This transparency ensures every user understands how emissions are computed. Takeoff ESG software enables organizations to measure, track, and manage emissions accurately. Provides real-time visibility through intelligent dashboards and KPIs. Automates emission calculations using standardized emission factors. Supports scope-wise tracking aligned with global ESG standards. Helps organizations set realistic reduction targets and monitor progress. Ensures data transparency, audit readiness, and compliance confidence. Empowers businesses to reduce environmental impact and improve sustainability performance. Thank you for watching this demonstration.